Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success, happiness, and abundance into their lives? What if I told you that the key to manifesting your dreams lies within your own mind? Welcome to the power of positive thinking in the law of attraction. Manifest your dreams. In this video, we'll explore how positive thinking aligns with the law of attraction and how you can use this powerful combination to create the life you've always wanted. The law of attraction is a universal principle that states like attracts like. In other words, the energy you put out into the world through your thoughts, feelings, and actions determines what you attract into your life. If you focus on positivity, you'll attract positive outcomes. If you dwell on negativity, you'll attract negative experiences. The law of attraction isn't magic. It's a science of energy and vibration, and at the heart of this principle is the power of positive thinking. Let's dive deeper into how these two concepts work together. Positive thinking is more than just looking on the bright side. It's about cultivating a mindset of optimism, gratitude, and possibility. When you think positively, you raise your vibration and align yourself with the energy of what you want to attract. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you constantly think, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never succeed," you're sending out low vibration energy that attracts more of the same. But when you shift your mindset to thoughts like "I am capable" and "I deserve abundance," you raise your vibration and open yourself to positive outcomes. Visualization is a powerful tool in the law of attraction. When you vividly imagine your goals as already achieved, you create a strong emotional connection to them. This sends a clear message to the universe about what you want to attract. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrational states you can be in. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you attract more things to be grateful for. Make gratitude a daily practice and watch how it transforms your life. Now that we understand the connection between positive thinking and the law of attraction, let's explore practical steps to manifest your dreams. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your desires and beliefs. Repeat affirmations like "I am worthy of success" or "I attract abundance effortlessly" daily. Over time, these statements will reprogram your subconscious mind and align your energy with your goals. While positive thinking is essential, it's not enough on its own. You must also take inspired action toward your goals. Listen to your intuition and follow the opportunities that align with your desires. Trust is a crucial part of the law of attraction. Believe that the universe is working in your favor, even if you don't see immediate results. Let go of doubts and fears and stay open to receiving. Manifesting your dreams isn't always a smooth journey. Here's how to overcome common challenges and stay aligned with positive thinking. Doubts and fears are natural, but they can block your manifestation process. When doubts arise, acknowledge them without judgment, and then replace them with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your worth and your ability to achieve your dreams. Consistency is key when working with the law of attraction. Make positive thinking and manifestation practices a daily habit. Over time, these small actions will lead to big results. One of the biggest challenges in manifestation is letting go of attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe knows the best way to bring your desires to you. Focus on feeling good and staying aligned, rather than obsessing over when or how your dreams will manifest. Countless people have transformed their lives using the power of positive thinking and the law of attraction. From achieving career success to finding love and improving health, these principles have proven to be life-changing. Remember, if they can do it, so can you. The power of positive thinking in the law of attraction is undeniable. By shifting your mindset, setting clear intentions, and taking inspired action, you can manifest your dreams and create a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Remember, you are the creator of your reality. Believe in your power, trust the process, and watch as your dreams come to life.